Hello everybody, Mr. Joseph from the Matteson Public Library here to teach you guys how you can build something like this. And it's really easy. All you need are certain materials. Let me show you. You only need a couple supplies. You're going to need some simple drinking straws and pipe cleaners. Only tool you're going to need is a pair of scissors. To start out with, you're going to take your pipe cleaner, bend it into a V shape, basically bending it in half. I'm going to cut it on the bend so you have two pieces. Take each piece, bend it in half, cut. Take the other piece, bend it in half, cut. You should have 4 pieces. Take each piece, bend it into an L shape. Now, I prepared ahead of time. There's a lot of pipe cleaners and a lot of drinking straws. So, you're going to take 1 drinking straw and 1 bent pipe cleaner. I'll start with yellow. Put it in the end. I'm going to take another pipe cleaner, go with red this time, put it in the same end. The two are partnered. Alright? Now, take another drinking straw, slide it in. But that red one in that straw, it doesn't have a partner, so we're going to give it one. Going to make it a green one, slide it in. But this green and yellow, they don't have a partner, so let's give them one. We'll make them partnered in the straw, and we got ourselves a joint. Alright? A joined point. Basically what you're going to do is you're going to keep doing that over and over and over until you end up with something like this. Alright? Now, you can build all sorts of shapes. Cubes big and cubes small. All you've got to do to make the small is bend a straw in half, give it a snip at the bend, and it's half the size. You can also build other things like pyramids. Alright? Now though, I showed you a whole bunch of different shapes connected before. So I'm going to show you how do you connect them. Take this big cube to start with, and I did another one almost finished. Almost because we want to connect this one to this one. And here's how you're going to do it. Take 1 straw and put it in one of the straws going down there. Take another straw and put it in the one going across there. Alright? One going down, one going across. So we've got 2 sticking out there, 2 sticking out there. Let's turn it over. And I want to do the same thing with these other corners. Now, I turn this one sideways. Slide the red and green into that straw. And black and yellow goes there. I've got black and white down here. I've got purple and white there. And there's how you start building. Now, I've given you plenty of straws and plenty of pipe cleaners to work with. So let's see what you guys can put together. Alright? Have fun! Alright, now once you've built your castle, you're going to need a way to defend it, right? I'm going to teach you how to build a simple catapult. Real simple. You only need 2 popsicle sticks, 4 rubber bands, a cork, and a spoon. All in your kit. Alright, so the way you start is you take your 2 popsicle sticks and 1 rubber band and wrap it tight around the bottom. So once you've got that, take your cork or your wooden spool, doesn't matter which you've got in your kit, push it as far as you can, but be careful you don't want to push it too far. If you feel it's starting to crack, you're going too far. Alright, so you got it like that. And take another rubber band. Once you've got that, alright, you're going to take another rubber band and do the same thing over again. Wrap it around and around. That'll keep the cork from going backwards. Alright? Take your spoon, slide it within. It's a tight fit, but you can do it. So hold it just about there. Alright. Take your last rubber band, wrap it around your neck of the spoon. So you hold the bottom and pull, nice and springy, right? Let's test it out. Now, here's the thing. 2 rules. Never shoot these at anyone ever, and make sure what you're firing is always soft. Something like a cotton ball is usually best. No marbles, no rocks. So once you're ready, pull it down, let it go, and have some fun. Enjoy!